All right, guys. So now that you have basically what you want in a business, what you're going to want to do is you want to create a logo now. All right. So, and for this, I recommend getting ideas from things like Dolly. Okay. So I do believe you have to have the $20 subscription to access Dolly. But Dolly turns your imagination into imagery. Okay. So let's go back to this right here. So we're going to go back to tech building assistance, right? So turning tech into treasure, your League City trade tech trade experts, right? So let's just take this for example. All right. Let's take the name of the business that we decided on. So we're going to do Tech Trade Texas right here. We're going to go to Dolly and we're going to do I need help creating a logo for my business name. And boom. All right. And then you're going to do that. Okay. So, creating a logo, it's going to ask you for a little bit more information. Okay. So, and what I recommend to do this is go here. So, let's go back to the Tech Trade Assistance. Literally going to copy all of this. Okay. So, let's do the whole thing here. There we go. Use this, please. There we go. So now Dolly is going to literally create an image of what could be your future business card. All right. So, and the reason I think this is really cool is mostly because this gives you ideas. All right. So let's see what it came up with. That's not bad. Okay. So now you can tell it to do more photos. Okay. So let's aim to add a bit more phones and other electronics because that is what we buy. All right, so you just got to give it a little bit of direction. And I even misspelled electronics here, but we're going to let it create another image. And you can basically do this as many times as you want, at least I believe, anyway. There are also other websites that you can utilize that actually utilize AI. So you can use looka.com, or I think it's looka.ai, maybe. No, I think it's looka.com. Go. And you can utilize this to help you also build a business card and things like that. Okay, so it's coming up with some good ones here. All right, so you can utilize this to get an idea of what you're looking for. Okay, and I recommend just utilizing it for ideas. Now, I do want to go over to Looka as well when it comes to a logo. So let's do Tech Trade Texas, right? And you can literally press Get Started and tell them basically what you do. Um, so electronics reselling. Continue. And then you can pick some logos that you like. I kind of like this one. I always like black and gold. It's my favorite. I also like grayscale. And then you got a slogan. I don't know. We will buy your electronics. Let's just use that for an example, right? And continue. And then you can search for symbols. We're going to do technology. And you can search for certain symbols here. So you can search let's do phones. Let's just do a phone. Here, let's do this one. And you can continue. And then what it'll do is it'll actually walk you through different logos. And you just pick certain logos here. So let's just pick this one. We're going to continue as a guest. Okay. And then it'll pull some. All right. So, and then the cool thing is you can just go back and it will save that logo, which is pretty cool. And then it'll start showing you more based on the ones that you already chose. So this is a cool way to do it. And if you want to buy a logo from here, I don't remember exactly how much it is, but Looka is a really good way to do this. And I don't think it costs very much to do it, but it will help you figure out what type of logo you want. and kind of go from there. So with that being said, that's your AI class on getting a logo, using Dolly to kind of help you pull up ideas, and then also using Looka.com to also come up with some ideas. All right. That being said, guys, keep on moving through the program.